Everyone went to sleep. But something unseen was coming. By morning, nothing was alive. No explosion, no fire. Just an invisible killer. A silent terror was about to strike, and no one could see it coming. A deadly secret was hiding below. History remembers silent killers, and this one changed everything. Prepare to see history's invisible killer. In 1986, people lived peacefully by Lake Nyos in the highlands of Cameroon. It was a tranquil existence, with villages nestled near the stunning crater lake. But beneath the calm surface of the water, a deadly force had been quietly building for decades, unseen and unknown. Daily life seemed normal. Villagers went about their routines, children played, and communities thrived, completely unaware of the invisible threat that lurked so close by. The lake was alive, silently. Deep beneath the lakebed, volcanic activity was at work. Over many years, it slowly pumped immense quantities of carbon dioxide into the deepest layers of the water. The gas dissolved under the immense pressure, creating a supersaturated solution. This process turned the lake into a ticking time bomb, with the pressure building and building, hidden from sight. The pressure was invisible but deadly, a silent, growing menace, until it finally erupted. That fateful night, a trigger, perhaps a landslide or a change in water temperature, caused the layers of the lake to overturn. Over 1 million tons of carbon dioxide gas surged out of the water in a massive explosive cloud. Because CO2 is heavier than air, this invisible gas cloud didn't rise into the atmosphere. Instead, it hugged the ground, sliding silently down the hillsides and into the surrounding valleys and villages. There was no escape. Nature struck without warning. The gas displaced all the oxygen, and in minutes, people and animals collapsed, suffocated without a sound. A deadly mystery. When first responders arrived, they found a scene of eerie silence. There was no obvious cause of death. Scientists from around the world rushed to investigate. They ruled out an earthquake or a volcanic eruption. Then they discovered the lake's deadly secret, a limnic eruption. This rare and terrifying natural phenomenon happens when dissolved gas, usually CO2, suddenly erupts from deep lake water. In essence, a lake became a silent killer because of these unseen, trapped gases. It was a lake-turned weapon. And Lake Nyos is not alone. Scientists have identified other crater lakes around the world that store similar deadly gases, waiting silently beneath their surfaces. Places like Lake Kivu in Africa pose an even greater threat due to the dense populations living along their shores. Today, at Lake Nyos, a race against time is underway. Engineers have installed venting pipes that reach down into the deepest gas-rich layers of the lake. These systems carefully and continuously release the trapped carbon dioxide to prevent another catastrophic disaster from ever happening again. Every bubble counts. Lake Nyos remains a silent, powerful reminder of nature's hidden power and the invisible dangers that can lurk just beneath the surface of our world. Its story is a chilling chapter in history's secrets. Subscribe now, for the next invisible disaster awakens.